right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Alright guys, we've got a 2x8 base, consider it not there, but it's an old school build, one of my early builds. For a friend of mine, my dog friends, we redid it, went all the way through it, retuned it, did all the upgrades, redid it, put the new bias in it, and fixed it all up. He's a sidebander, so hopefully we got him good to go. We're going to do a quick test review. We're going to turn him on. We're going to look at our straight through SWR. Start with worldwide, 0. Turn him on radio drive. The 99 input SWR, well, maybe I got the coax hooked up. If you put the coax in there the right way, it works a lot better. Alright, let's try it again. On radio drive, it's alive. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1,000 some change with the 99 driving it. Audio. Good numbers. Turn on our little 2-pill to drive it. About 280 drive. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. 2,000 some change. Worldwide. Well, 19. Let's just say 19. 19 and some change. Go over and look at the bird. 4,500 watt bird, worldwide. About 18 on the bird. Get on down. Watt back reflect almost. Let's see. I think it's right. Yeah, what? Yeah, I had to think about it in a minute. Less than a watt. On a 5 watt slug. Look at so many different birds. It's easy to mess up. We're going to get over here on the Colossal. Outdoor dummy load. Start out radio drive. Hello, Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load. 1,000 some change, 1.03 SWR. Turn on the driver. Hello, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And remember, no more 200 decky out of this, okay? We'll try it on sideband one time for kicks on the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load with no driver. That's all you need is radio drive on sideband. Secure. But I do want to go back over that. I'm going to put it back on the indoor dummy load. So I won't be transmitting. I want to show him something. Way to set this. That's pretty close right there. Now we're on AM with the driver on, okay? We're looking for 200 watt carrier. It's close enough. Hello, AM, driver. 19 some change. Getting on down on AM. So when you're on AM, you can run your driver. When you're on sideband, I wouldn't even run no driver, man. I'd run my icon about 20% or whatever and let it roll. If you can't get out on 1,000 watts in sideband, it's bad. And you can watch your average on sideband too. Make sure it stays low. You don't want to go over about 500 max average on sideband, okay? Alright guys, that's about it. About all I got for you. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. Please take time to hit the like and subscribe button on our YouTube channel. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Appreciate your business support, everybody. We know without you, we wouldn't be here at Donkey Stomper. Big shout out to the YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Y'all take care. Your friend and 10-01A Boost, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.